This guide will show you how to submit a purchase suggestion if you can't find what you're looking for in the catalog. So from the catalog page on the left-hand side, you'll see Make a Purchase Suggestion. Go ahead and select that. Please note that we will not be making purchases for items that have not yet been published. And then from here, you'll want to select the material type. And whether or not it's for adults, teens, or children. And then you'll need to put in the author name, the title of the book. You'll need to make sure to provide your name and your email address and your barcode number. And if you have additional comments, such as this book completes a series, please enter that there. And then you'll go ahead and hit submit. And then you'll want to check the catalog in a couple months to see if the item was purchased. Then you can check it out or place it on hold.